actually going to do I'm going to do a cat vlog. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. So, I have 2 cats. So I think one of the cats is outside right now. So, yeah, but yeah, let's get on with the video. Ah, so there's Midnight, and he's black, so you might not be able to see him. So this is Midnight, and he's so cute, he's just sitting there, but still. And now he's walking over there. Look at his tail. Look at your tail. Look at your sing. Oh, hello, kitty. Oh, so cute. Come here, come here, come here. Down and down. I got you. Oh, he's so meow. Okay, pretty pants. You are such a pretty kitty cat. Oh, he's sniffing the door. Oh, now I'm gonna sit down. Just sit there and be meowy. Meow at the door. Oh, you got an itchy. You got an itchy kitty. Oh, you got an itchy. Okay. So here's his towel. Oops. I need to turn the light on. Okay, so there he is. He's sniffing the box. Okay. Let's go, kitty. What are you doing? Oh, he's such a meow. Oh. Now you're gonna come over here. So guys, if I did the in the intro, let me know if my head was cut off, because I don't really know if my head was cut off. Because I was doing it from the opposite side, so yeah. Oh yeah, I'm sniffing everything. I can't reach. I love you. You're so cute. And now you're sitting down. Now I make you sit down. Oh. Come on. I actually got to move. Okay. Let's see. You're just sitting here looking at something over there. That's the bike. Workout bike. And you're just sitting there. You are such a lazy cat. Meow. Okay, let's go. Can't you just move? Okay. Okay, we're going to do this again. You're just sitting there, all pretty cat. Look at his tail. And now he stops. Oh no, and now he goes. And now he stops. Is he going to go? Is he going to stop? Is he going to go? Is he going to stop? I don't know. It's a mystery. You are so cute right now. I don't even have words. And you're a prissy booty. Prissy cat, prissy cat. Oh. Okay, let's move. I'm moving you. I'm definitely moving. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh no, you're coming back over there. No, Kitty, you're going back to the same place. Of course you want to be over here. Kitty. Do that again, Midnight. Okay, now you're going over here again. Okay, let's just see until he moves. I'll come back when he moves. Hello, little kitty. You're so cute. Okay, he's over here about my Barbie stuff and my American Girl clothes and stuff. So, he's just saying, wait, watch this. This is cute. Come on, you have to wear it. Come on, you wear it on your booty. Okay. Okay, he's definitely wearing that. Okay, just fell off. Wait, where'd it go? It's over there. Okay, now he's going back over here. Okay, by the way, we have our thing up, so that's why he's going under there so often. Oh, and he's a boy. And he really wants to go outside. Pet him with my foot. He's so cute. Okay, let's go somewhere else. You are so dark right now, I can barely even see you. Okay, now he jumped on my bed, so just a quick overview of my room. It's really a mess right now, but still. Oh, Midnight, you are so kitty. Come on, kitty, lay down. Okay, I was reading this earlier, so that's why that's there. No, kitty, come back! But he's gonna go back in the same spot he was before. Yep, he's right there in the same spot. He really wants to go outside. Maybe I could just... No. Oh, he's so happy. Look at him. Just when I turn it on, he's looking up. I don't know if you can see his eyes or not, but he's looking up to the door. Oh, yeah, he's looking up to the door right now. You totally can't see. Oh. Come on, kitty, let's go. Look at him, he's so cute. Look at his fur. Oh, let's go in the other room. Ah, look at his kitty paw. He's going right back over to the same place, aren't you? He's only 5, so, well, his birthday's on St. Patrick's Day, so he's actually 5 right now, so, yeah, he's 5. So, yeah. You can kind of see my face in the camera. If you can't see it, but I can see my face in the camera. But, yeah. Look at Daddy's baby. You like it? You like it, don't you, little kitty? Ah! Oops, that's my hand. Oh, you're so cute. He's so cute, little Buddha. Oh. I don't know what Buddha is, but I just call him that. He's so cute, little kitty. I love you. Say something. Say something. Okay, now he just looks out the door because he wants to go outside. Oh, now he's laying down. Oh, he looks like a You know what he looks like? He looks like a panther. Let's see. We're seeing the panther baby cub, and he's in his natural habitat of the Cupcake Girl Studio. Kitty in his natural habitat. The Kitty Cupcake Girl Studios. The Cupcake Girl Studios. Okay, look at him. I'm the 4th grader. Okay, so here's the kitty. And he's just looking there because he doesn't like being filmed. So let me just reach down and grab his nose. He's so cute. Okay, well, guys, I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. So let me just turn the camera. Wait. Well, I'm just going to have to turn around. So I think this is going to be the end of our vlog. So let me just turn the camera around. Okay, so that's going to be the end. And let me know in the comments if you can see my face or not, because you might not be able to see my whole face. So, yeah. So, that will be the end of our vlog. So, yeah. I hope you guys see my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Or, that didn't make sense. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Wait, I can't. Bye.